It's that time, Christmas time is here. Everybody knows there's not a better time of year. Hear that sleigh, Santa's on his way. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. Got a ton of stuff. Shamai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Christmas vacation, and it matches the ukulele play-along video on my Ukulaliens channel, and I'll pop a link in the description below. Now, this is from one of my all-time favourite Christmas films, National Lampoon Christmas Vacation. I've even got the t-shirt for it, okay? So I was really happy to be finally getting to do this tutorial. Right, so I'll run through the chords. The first one doesn't get any easier. A minor 7, no fingers, no left hand, okay? The next chord, another nice easy one, is a C chord. So it's our ring finger, 3rd fret on the A string. The next chord's another nice easy one, C7 this time. So you're going to put your first finger, 1st fret on the A string, and it should sound okay. Then we've got an F chord. So 1st finger, 1st fret on the E string, and then our middle finger across, 2nd fret on the G string for our F. And the last chord, G minor 7. There are a couple of ways of playing this. All right, the first one is you're going to put your first finger, 1st fret on the E string, your middle finger, 1st fret on the A string, and then your ring finger goes across 2nd fret on your C string. G minor 7. However, especially if you're used to playing B flat chord, you can bar the first 2 strings. So you could put your first finger, 1st fret, on both the E and the A string, and then your middle finger goes across 2nd fret on the C string. Okay, so it's exactly the same chord, just 2 ways of playing it, entirely up to you. So those are the chords. Let's have a look at the strumming. As always, it's only a suggestion. If you want to do something different or something else works better for you, no problem at all. I try and use the island strum, down, down, up, down, up, twice for each chord, and it pretty much stays the same then throughout the song. Just follow the little Santa and the reindeer. So it goes something like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So twice for each chord. It's that time, Christmas time is here. Everybody knows there's not a better time of year. And so on, okay? So it's twice the pattern for each chord. So there you are, get over to the Ukulaliens channel now. It's far more fun playing along with the original than playing along with me. I do hope this video has helped. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.